but mostly, that should be it. Not much, at least for your grades. Okay, I would not want you guys to stress too much about it, but it is always, the basics are these. So again, I'm just repeating, okay, because what happened was when the network connection was lost, the recording also had stopped. So I'm just doing a quick recap of what we learned today. Okay, so I'm sharing my screen again, and as you can see, we learned the three things about the metric system: for length, for weight, and for.
About the homework, like after I do it, like how do I send it?
So you do the homework, you show it to your parents, okay, saying that this is the homework that I got, and this is how I've done it. So once you explain to your parents, the parents will know that yes, you have understood it. Okay. And if you are not able to explain something to your parents, that is when I will get the feedback that yes, my kid has not understood this one. So that way I can revise those concepts and make sure that, I'm explaining that to you guys again. So that is the purpose. Because if I
So
try,
if I did the homework correct, my parents should like tell you
yes,
that.
you have to show it to your parents and explain them also. Because see, we are not doing maths for getting score. We are doing maths for learning the concepts. So whether we have understood the concepts or not, that that only can be, assessed after you're able to explain that to your parents. Just don't show the some, oh yeah, this is the homework, check it whenever you get time. No, not that way. Say, okay, fine, let me explain you what I have done here for this particular sum. This is what I had learned, this is what I have done. Okay. So when you say that with confidence, that your parents would be able to make out that yes, you have learned it, right? And if there's any doubt, they will reach out to me, and that gives me a second chance to make you guys explain something in a different way or in a better way. Okay.
Okay.
So so just yeah, just to conclude this class, we learned about the metric system, and this is the song that we have to remember for ourselves. Okay, millicenti, decimeter, deca, hecto, kilometer, and that is for distance. And we learned about how to convert from smaller unit to bigger unit, or the other way around, from bigger unit to smaller unit, how to convert centimeter to millimeter or meter to a millimeter. And for every hop you multiply it by 10, so that gives you that thing. And we also saw how to convert a kilometer to a meter or to a millimeter. A same approach can be followed for conversion, for weight or for volume. Here also, meter becomes gram or liter for weight and volume, and the song changes to milligram, centigram, decigram, gram, decagram, hectogram, kilogram. Or for volume, it becomes milliliter, centiliter, deciliter, liter, decaliter, hectoliter, kiloliter. So I want you guys to kind of get used to this song and understand the formula that you can always convert from one unit to another unit if you know what is the sequence among them. So that is about the metric system. Yeah, Abhik, you had a question.
No, I don't have a question.
Okay. So that brings us to the end of today's class. Tomorrow we'll look at some of the similar things for the customary system, and we'll deal with all that we deal with here in US, with pounds, with ounce, with gallon, with quart, with whatnot. Okay, so we'll go through those and see how do we convert them and how do we relate that with the metric system as well, so that in future we can do a conversion if we are supposed to. Okay,
Okay.
all right.
Right.
Yeah, bye bye, take care.
Bye.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.
Bye bye.